Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have worked thousands of cases. I am a national expert. I have worked at IRS from 73 to 83. I've been doing this for 51 years. I have a whole team of former IRS agents. I have been on many TV news stations. Fox News a couple times, CBS, The Briefing Room, NBC, CBS, I don't know, I've been on all of them, NTTV, Newsmax, News Nation. Anyway, enough about me. Anyway, I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff. You know, a lot of people want to do this themselves, and a lot of people want to reach out to a professional company, and they don't know really what to do, who to hire, how much they should cost. And really, I get all that, but I only want to talk to you about a couple facets of this so you understand why you hire a tax professional versus doing it yourself. I want to tell you I do understand that many of you cannot afford a professional expert. I know that. Actually, those who can't usually, they can call IRS and get their case in a hardship. People who can't pay, IRS understands that, and they have a currently non-collectible program, so IRS generally puts them in that. For those of you who have the money, the reason you hire a professional person, it's there's being a former IRS agent, you know what to put on a financial statement. You know when to talk to IRS, what to do, what not to do. You actually know how to negotiate. Your financial statement is going to be absolute key to your tax settlement, whether it's a payment agreement, a currently non-collectible, or you're going to file an offer. How that financial statement, as a former agent, as your statement is prepared and given to them and documented, that's going to determine the outcome of your case. That's everything. And if you don't know all the nuances of that, you're going to get screwed. And I'll tell you the area you're going to usually get screwed into. You're going to get screwed in the National Standards Program. Many of you are saying, well, what's the National Standards? See, if you don't know that, you shouldn't be calling the IRS, because lovingly, the IRS National Standards Program fixes you exactly where IRS will tell you exactly what you can spend for food and clothing, housing, utilities, car payments, and car expenses. You don't have the choice to stick your expenses in. You got to stick theirs. So there's ways around that. A professional, truly, especially if you've worked at IRS, you know exactly every step of the way what's going to happen. So I want to tell you, if you owe a small amount of money, don't be afraid to call IRS. There's not much they can do. They're a lot more lenient on smaller cases and larger cases. But if you're talking that you do have a serious debt with IRS, it's all about maneuverability, making sure your financial statement shines a little more that you cannot do because you don't know the inside loops, the details of that. And you want to make sure all your tax returns are filed. Anyway, that's the difference between using a professional and not. The result that you're going to get versus me is night and day. Just want to tell you. Anyway, explore whoever you want. We've been doing this a long time, very long time. I've been doing this 51 years. If you want us, you know where to get a hold of us. If not, give me a subscription. I got 2,500 other videos for you. Learn from them. I wish you the very best. Thank you for the subscription.